Hello guys, welcome to Shyama School of Economics. This is Shyama. Today we will discuss about the welfare definition of economics, which is given by Alfred Marshall. So guys, you must watch the video till the last because there have some importance point. First of all, we will know about the outline of the story. Okay, in first introductions, and second the definition, third the characteristic, for the merits, and lastly the evaluation question. Okay, so guys, let's start. Introduction. The Marshall gave a new definition of economy in 9th century, which is known as the welfare definition. He is a new classical economist. His famous book, The Principles of Economics, was published in 1890. More emphasis to human welfare than to wealth. He stated that wealth is for men, not men for wealth. Further, he emphasized economics is on the one side a story of wealth, and on the other and more important side the part of the story of man. Okay, let's know about the definition. Economics is a part of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that's that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requires of well-being. This is Marshall's definition. So from his definition we will find out the main characteristic of this definition. First of all, we know about the mankind. Second, ordinary business of life. Third, individual and social action. Fourth, the material requirements, etc. Okay, now start. Characteristic of the welfare definition. First of all, you know a story of mankind. This is the first point of welfare definitions. Characteristic of welfare definition: a story of mankind. That means economic story, the economic activity of man. A man performs many type of activity. These are social, religious, economics. Okay, economics is the story of economic activity which are connected with the material welfare of man. Okay, next we will know the ordinary business of life. That means what? Every man work to earn wealth and spend his money to get maximum satisfaction out of it. That is the activity of ordinary man. Okay, economics story ordinary man, not extraordinary men like this sadhu, santo, etc. Okay, now the story of individual and social action. That means economic story, the personal social activity of man which are connected with his material welfare. It is a story of individual on the one hand and the social organization of the economic activity on the other hand. Okay, now the story of material welfare. That means the main emphasis of this definition is, on material welfare. This is the major difference of this definition from the definition given by Adam Smith. The story of non-material welfare is the outside the scope of economics. Okay, now fifth is normal normative science. What is meaning? What is the meaning of this normative science? According to this definition, economics is the story of causes affecting the material welfare. It is the therefore a social science. This definition stress material so far as the objective and wealth is regarded only as a means. Okay, let's know about merits of Marshall's definition. First of all, know about the classificatory definition. Classificatory definitions means what? The Marshall's definition classified the economic activity of men two types, such as first material welfare, second non-material welfare. Similarly, the men are classified as the ordinary and extraordinary men. The economic action is classified as individual and social. Okay, now um, clear about the nature of the economics. That means this definition justified that the economics is a social science. It is not a pure science. It is also not an art. It is one among the social science. Okay, then clear on the scope of economics. Okay, clear on the scope of economics. That means this definition is also having the merits of laying down the scope of economics clearly. It is study only the material activity of men. Okay, then let's we know about some evaluation questions of welfare definition of the economics. First, we know about what is the main theme of Marshall definition of economics. You can answer these questions. That means what is the main theme of the Marshall definition of economics? Welfare, welfare. Okay, then second is second definition. Welfare definition is given by whom? Alfred Marshall. Okay. Third, who is the writer of the book Principle of Economics? Alfred Marshall. Fourth, in which year the book Principle of Economics was published? 1890. Okay. Then five, economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. This statement is given by whom? This statement is given by Alfred Marshall. Okay, this is all about the welfare definition of Marshall. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. My channel. Okay, next we will know about Robinson's definition. Okay, this is the very important definition of economics. Okay, thank you.